Is your Linksys router not working correctly with your Spectrum modem? The most common cause is a double NAT issue. Your Spectrum modem and Linksys router are both trying to act as routers, creating conflicting networks. The solution? Bridge mode. Bridge mode disables the Spectrum modem's routing capabilities, allowing your Linksys router to take over full network management. To enable bridge mode, access your Spectrum modem's admin panel, typically at 192.168.100.1. Log in using the credentials found on the modem's label. Navigate to Advanced or Firewall Settings and look for Bridge Mode, Pass-Through, or DMZ. Enable this setting. Then reboot both the modem and your Linksys router. Connect an Ethernet cable from your modem's Ethernet port to the Linksys router's WAN port. This ensures that your Linksys router is now handling all network traffic and DHCP assignments. Your Linksys router now manages the network fully. Once bridge mode is enabled, ensure your Linksys router is properly configured to handle DHCP. Access your Linksys router's settings, usually via 192.168.11, and confirm that DHCP is enabled and the WAN connection type is set to DHCP. This allows the router to automatically obtain an IP address from Spectrum. If you're still experiencing issues, ensure both devices have the latest firmware updates. Outdated firmware is a common culprit. Also, test your internet speed using online tools like speedtest.net to identify any bottlenecks. If problems persist, consider advanced settings like port forwarding or QoS, quality of service, to prioritize traffic. For complex setups, professional installation is recommended to avoid errors and ensure optimal performance. If you are still having issues, contact Spectrum at 1-888-817-1122 or Linksys at 800-326-7114.